Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on these outdoor solar pathway lights. So you get 6 of them in the box, and for each light you get 2 of these sections and then 1 stake. Now they're very simple to install. You're going to just put that into there, put this on, and then put that on. Now if that's if you want it that tall. You don't have to use both of these. You could just use one and just make it that tall. So overall length before the spike is about 14 inches. And if I want to add this section, this will add another 6.5 inches to it. Okay, these are very simple to operate. You want to make sure and take off this plastic protective coating right here. There's the solar panel. So the sun is going to charge it. It's got a AA battery inside there that's going to recharge. You just simply lift this up and there's a switch right here. Now you're going to see on and off. They're shipped in the off position. You're simply going to just move it to the on position. Then you simply put it back on. It's kind of held on there with friction. Make sure it's nice and level. And there's what the light looks like. Okay, so take it to your bathroom if you want to see it work. It's got to be in a sort of a dark room. So as the sun goes down, it's going to automatically come on. Now here I am in a really dark room. It's very, and you know, it's a soft white. It's not as bright as it is in the video here. It's a really soft yellow light. And then when the sun comes out, it turns off automatically. So every night it'll turn on, and in the morning it'll turn off. Overall, the light, it's about almost 3 inches by 3 inches. And up down's about 7.25. Now the size of that opening is about 3/4 of an inch. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.